Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Doesn't Realize He Just Chopped a Woman in Half."
33-year-old Esmeralda was waiting for a bus on her way home, unknown to the fact that miles away at that same moment, two officers were conducting a traffic stop on a suspect with incorrect registration information, and that the suspect was about to take them on a chase. The very chase because of which Esmeralda would never be able to go home to her kids.
Verified traffic.
Okay.
He's 3300 East West Highway, in the parking lot. Virginia tag. Time Henry Paul, 8094. Break the ticket home.
Oh boy.
Gray Lincoln, one time going East West Highway.
Man, that Lincoln ain't got no speed.
Record 2114, expired 625, Northeast.
I think he just not. East West Highway, 23rd. East West 23rd. Just
Oh, it flipped? Oh, someone's running.
He's coming out the car.
Dang!
Hey! Stay in the car!
What an idiot.
Stay in the car! 05-10-3. 10-3. Stay in the car! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
What an idiot.
Can I get out, please? The car. The car.
Just hold on. Keep your hands up.
I just want to get out.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Just stay right there. Stay right there.
My hands up.
Yep, just keep them coming. Gotta get him out the car.
Hands up.
Keep your hands up. Go.
Where's he at?
East West 23rd. East West 23rd. What happened? Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Man, do it to him.
What?
Whoa.
35. He's staying in the car. Just yeah, keep him coming.
Copy.
What happened? 35. He struck a citizen. Start fireboard at the bus stop.
The officer had called off the pursuit as both cars approached the intersection, but the 23-year-old male continued speeding down the shoulder of the highway, ran over Esmeralda, and narrowly missed another citizen before his vehicle flipped over in a ditch. People
Wow.
rushed to save Esmeralda, but the state they found her in was beyond horrific and sent chills down everyone's spines.
Keep your hands right there.
The door, please.
Keep your hands right there.
You get the door, please.
Keep your hands right there.
My hands is up.
Police.
Okay.
Keep your hands up.
Okay.
Keep your hands up.
Okay.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Don't move.
Okay.
Did you check on them over there? What's the kid? Go check on over there. He struck somebody over there.
Man, they need to put him in the dirt. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Keep your hands right there. Keep your hands right there.
You said fatal?
Unbelievable.
Keep your don't move. Do not move.
What are you doing on the phone, man? Get off the phone. Put him here. Come on, get over here.
Put your hands behind.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Come on.
291 touch.
Is there nobody else in the car?
I just saw one time.
Check the car. Check the car. Phone here. Where's the pedestrian? Who got hit?
I have no idea.
Okay.
All right, 290. We're gonna have to just shut East West 23rd down. I need
Scumbag, piece of crap.
Hager shut
You
down
deserve to
East County
rot.
that way. We're gonna need it both ways. We're gonna start hanging up tape.
Are those families down there?
Yeah.
Okay. We should probably try to get them away from over there.
Esmeralda's torso was torn away from the rest of her body, and she had succumbed to her injuries on the spot. Her lower half was found on the roadside ditch, and the gruesome sight of the murder had left one of the officers in complete shock.
What's the situation?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I don't want to go there.
No, I got you.
So his brake light wasn't working. Right there, coming outside the Truist.
Yeah.
Try to pull it over. He's like, starts slow rolling into the parking lot until he stopped. That's what, like, I'm midway keying up, and that's when he like just starts taking off.
What are you worried about your phone? Don't worry about your phone right now.
Can I have my phone? Can I get my phone? No, you cannot get your phone. But we're gonna solve that problem. You cannot get your phone.
I saw from a distance, all I saw was the car flip, and I'm like, oh, she just dying.
Yeah.
And that's when I came and checked it out, and I didn't even know there was a fatal. So I mean, I'm here screaming. I thought, I don't know if it was like if someone involved with him.
Yeah.
And then I'm just holding him at gunpoint, and that's when
Okay, you're not getting that right now.
We need a cage vehicle. What's up? We need a cage with vehicle with a cage.
Why is that? This guy?
Yeah, this guy.
Getting squirrely?
Yeah.
I can't. Yeah, I think.
See, this is why we need to bring back the firing squad. Only certain states have it, and they don't really do it like that. But this guy needs to be sentenced to the firing squad. That's what that exactly. No regard for human life. You're selfish because you got yourself in a jam. You want to put everybody else on the road at risk. For what? Man, if you do wrong, take your punishment. It is what it is. You probably got a warrant or something like that you're running from. Whatever. You tried to get away. You whatever. Whether you was bail jumping, doing whatever, you did whatever, but you finally got caught. It is what it is. Take your punishment. But for you to run over people and all this other stuff, that's madness, man. Madness. You need a round put in you, man. It's crazy.
County, I'm ununiformed, off duty. Came up to me and was like, I'll help you. I'm just like, nah, just help this guy right here. I don't know what he said.
That's all right. So was the lady in the car, or was she?
I have no idea. I think they were at the bus stop.
Oh, okay. Hey, come sit in my car. Yeah, come on. We're good right now. You're good. Come on, you're good. You're fine. Cut. All right, come on, we'll talk. No. That just the camera off, or that just okay. Breath and yeah, I know. Relax. All right. Oh my God. Relax. Some water. He's down there. Is he okay? He's low, shaking up. Real.
And I'm gonna stop this right here real quick. And this is the part that people don't really talk about with law enforcement. People only talk about, law enforcement. They tend to have a lot of issues and stuff like that, as far as like, there may be alcohol abuse and they whatever, right? But people can't relate to the things that people see that the average person would not be able to take it. These guys just seen the bottom half of a body split apart. A normal person can't even fathom that. You know what I mean? Like, it's just certain things that people go through. And when you're in law enforcement and you have nobody to talk to, that's why you see, alcoholism and all that stuff heavily involved, or you see people in law enforcement really don't, have that many friends outside of law enforcement, because the only people that you can really vent to is other people that understand it. What are you going to do? Go home and, it's like, think about this real quick, right? And then I'm gonna let it rock after this. But what are you going to say? Let's say you're a man and you got a significant other, right? Your man is law enforcement, right? And your lady comes home, and typically, what do you guys talk about when you're at home, right? And when you first see each other, hey babe, how was your day at work? Oh, it was all right. It was a rough one, but yeah, just seen a lady split in half. Your significant other is gonna look at you like, or I remember the first time I seen something when I was in corrections. It's like, I was dating a chick at the time, whatever, but I never told her about this or whatever. But, you know, first time I really seen something crazy was when an inmate got stabbed and it hit an artery or whatever, right? And, you know, when you took the pressure off of it, the blood starts shooting up like a water fountain, right? So it's like you can't come home and tell people that. They don't understand that. Like, it's just, so I feel bad for the, you know, law enforcement like that. You know, it's just sucks. You know, you either got to talk about it with other law enforcement people, or you turn to something else, or you keep it bottled in, because you really don't got people to talk to about it, because the average person doesn't understand the shit that they go through.
What's choking up?
Did you see it? Yeah. Just don't worry about that. Come on. Look at me. Look at me. Just sit in here. Okay. Take some deep breaths. Just relax. Okay.
We're gonna count down one more time. Yeah, we already did. Yeah. Hey, Jimmy, it's clear, right? Loosen this. Loosen what? They're not making comfort, dude.
Bro, it's not about that, bro. It's not my wrist.
I can put a fingerprint with this one.
No, it's the right one.
This one, let me see.
Yes.
This one?
This one.
I can put a tiny
Don't
finger
give
if you
him
want.
nothing. Man, sit your ass in the car.
Too far down?
The lack of empathy in the suspect does not come as a surprise when his extensive criminal history is taken into account. He was also wanted on an outstanding warrant for second-degree and was carrying a gun with an extended magazine during the chase.
All right, you good?
You're gonna be dealt with. You're gonna be dealt with. You're a low down, man. Low down fucking piece of crap. They gonna get at you in there, boy. They definitely gonna get at you. Charges like that?
Yep. Where is he? We back to the station, or?
As of right now, we don't know.
All right, I guess, let me go find out from Wes.
Hey, do you need any, like, do you need medical? Are you okay? Are you hurt?
Shaking up, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, you saw it?
just saw the lower half.
Floor, I didn't really know if you want the floor was over here. I mean, on the material was over here. The girl, new girl. I guess she was trying to keep the guys away. That's when I saw Flores. I was like, what he was doing out there? He had the guy pointing at him. That's when I started running. I grabbed him out of the car and put him on handcuffs with Flores.
She under?
No, she's over there.
Well, her lower half is down there.
Get some other policemen or something. I mean, other ones, bro. He took my phone.
So the phone right now is the least of the worries.
But I'm saying, though.
Okay.
You can't just...
Whatever your phone is at, trust me, it's going to be with all your other belongings. It's not going to go missing. Promise you that.
Probably underneath the car. Probably underneath the car.
The phone?
Yeah.
He said they took his phone.
Well, we brought him down because he was on his phone. And it probably, when it fell on the ground, it probably went underneath.
Okay.
Can't do nothing about it, son.
Montoya leaves behind a husband and two daughters, 16 and 8 years old, as well as her family she supported back in El Salvador and a devastated softball community.
I'm like, she had a whole life ahead of her. You know, a daughter is gone, a mother is gone, a friend is gone.
Exactly 1 month after Esmeralda Montoya's death.
It wasn't expected. It wasn't like she had cancer or something that you knew was coming.
Her good friend and softball teammate, Rosemary Asensio, fighting tears and demanding justice.
I think that's probably what hurts the most, is that you walk out of your house and you expect to come back home, or you run an errand, you go to the grocery store. You know, you expect to, you say goodbye to people all the time, and you're like, oh, we'll see you tomorrow. I'm sure she thought she would see her kids tomorrow, see her family. She was a friend to everyone, extremely loyal, and one who was always willing to help. I don't think that there is a way to forgive something like this.
She says in the 4 weeks since the crash, loved ones haven't heard anything about Leonard facing charges for Montoya's death.
We want justice and we demand it. This person knew what they were doing and made poor decisions in life, and those poor decisions came to impact our community, her family.
11 grams of marijuana was also found in the 23-year-old's possession, and he was charged with weapon law violations and non-specified must-appear traffic offenses. The charges from the crash are pending following a further investigation.
I got chills listening to her friend speak, man. I got chills, man. You never know. You never know when you say goodbye to someone, whether they walking out the house or going to the grocery store or doing whatever, you never know when it's going to be their last, man. All I got to say, man, love you, hug your loved ones. And for those of you guys that are, you know, married or got a significant other that's in law enforcement, hug them tight, man. Hug them tight. It's a lonely, thankless job. You do a good job, nobody ain't telling you good job. You know, nobody ain't. Those cops are shaking up, man. Sad, man. Sad, man. Yeah, hug your loved ones. That's all I got to say, man. 5 out of 5.